3 must-dos if you want to enter 2026 with momentum, and please do not miss these crucial 401k contribution and setup deadlines. Hello and welcome to Mark's Financial Playbook. I'm Mark Basil. As we close out 2025, this is the perfect time to review some end-of-year financial housekeeping steps that can help strengthen your overall strategy as we move right into 2026. By taking action now, you can enjoy the 1-2 punch of finishing 2025 strong and stepping into the new year with confidence. Number 1, review spending, savings, and debt. Let's start with a few of the most important. Review your 2025 spending habits. Where did your money go? Did non-essentials like dining out or little extras add up more than you expected? Maybe brew your own versus $10 macchiatos makes more sense next year? Check your progress on debt. Did you pay down those high interest balances, or are you finishing the year with the same or even more debt than before? We tell our clients, if you're paying, let's say, 19% interest on a credit card, look to pay that off first before you jump into the stock market for those funds. In fact, if you pay off a 19% interest credit card, you're effectively making 19% return on that money by not paying that interest in a given year. Evaluate your savings and goals. Did you hit your target you set? Having solid savings in place gives you options, like paying cash in an emergency instead of reaching for a credit card. Or if you're a stock market dip buyer, we've had some deep dips on some great companies, which may be solid buying opportunities if you're trading on your own account. Work with a financial professional to review your current retirement contributions. Max out your 401k or IRA contributions before December 31st, especially if your employers offer a match. And please, I can't stress this enough, don't make the mistake of thinking you can set up a solo 401k next year and make contributions for it this year. The solo or individual 401k has to be set up this year. But even if you do set it up this year, you can make contributions for it next year up until the tax filing deadline, including extensions. Number 2, tax moves and benefits. As we prepare to roll into 2026, here are some items to consider. If your income went down in 2025, you may want to explore whether a Roth conversion makes sense, but Roths aren't right for everyone. Only take that step with professional guidance and view the Roth videos linked in the description below. There's great stuff in those videos that show you how to convert to a Roth without going into the higher next tax bracket. Check your beneficiaries. Remember, beneficiary designations on policies and accounts override what's written in a will. I encourage you to verify these each year, as you don't want your loved ones crying at your funeral for the wrong reason. Spend down your FSA money before year end if you have one. Some companies offer a grace period into March, but many don't. It's use it or lose it. We're going to do a deep dive into this in a future video. Number 3, credit cards and insurance. Finally, don't forget these year-end steps. Pull a copy of your credit report and review your credit score. A good score is key for mortgages and car loans, and if interest rates decline, and it's likely they will, that loan you've been targeting may now be in reach. So be prepared to move on it. If you have multiple credit cards, focus on paying down the one with the highest interest rate first, then move on to the next. I can't stress this enough. Lastly, review your insurance policies. Life, home, and auto should meet your current needs. Shop around if necessary. You might actually find the same coverage for a lower price. I always say, it never hurts to get a second opinion, and not from the person that gave you the first one. As always, these steps are general education. For specific advice, talk with a licensed professional who understands your unique situation. If you'd like to discuss your retirement goals or any part of your financial strategy, contact us. We're here to help. Our main agenda is to prepare you for the retirement you've worked so hard for. Thanks for watching Mark's Financial Playbook. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and share it. And I'll see you in the next one.